Okay, so greetings. So this is a subject about how to sharpen a saw, a handsaw, a wooden handsaw that is made to cut wood. Okay. Um, Remember to be in the correct angle. I will show you exactly how it's done. Here we go into more details. Please see the previous videos to learn more about sharpening. You need a tool like this. One that is a triangular shape, a small one, fits in here perfectly. This fits almost perfectly. It's not too bad with this. As you can see here, I've sharpened it up to about here already. So this has to fit in perfectly, okay? So this goes in a line here like this. And you go one, and you just do it this way. And with this tool, you put more pressure along this area here, on this side of the thing, so you can get in there. And then the other side is this way. One goes that way, the next one goes this way. And the other 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 one goes this way. So we did it from here to there. We did it a little bit before the seams. So we might just go over it a little bit. Maybe later on we'll go over it a bit. But we first do this. Okay. And then we go in here. Then we go in here. Then we go in here. Then we go in here the next one. Sorry about that, the computer just fell. Be back in a moment. Okay, that is all to it really. You just continue until you do the whole saw. We'll be back in a moment.